If you are waiting for someone to provide a list of ServiceNow scenario questions to you, you are already losing. On my LinkedIn, I have got this question most number of times on DMs, calls, and even if I met in person, the most asked question was, how do we practice the scenario based questions? Let me tell you where people actually go wrong. They learn GlideAjax, they understand it, and then they wait. They wait for someone to provide a list of questions on GlideAjax to them. They wait for someone else to create a scenario for them. And that is a very big problem. Instead, you should do this. The moment you learn something new, try to create your own scenario. Even if it doesn't make any sense at all, even if it does not solve any real world problem, just try to create a scenario on your own. And then try to write the code for that specific scenario and see whether you got the result that you actually wanted. No copy paste, no syntax, just you, your scenario, and your code. First, practice the copybook style, like how exactly the syntax is given in your documentation. Try to replicate that syntax and then create a scenario on your own. That is how I did it, and that is how it works. You need to stop complicating this. In this way, you will not only learn the syntax, but also you will learn how to write the code. And eventually, when you get better at it, then try to look at the real world problem, whether this specific scenario is solving a real world problem or is it a useless one. Do comment if this helped you.